I am building an app. Now, I am building several apps to be exact, and this is my first time going through the app development process. So, I want to take you guys along the journey with me so you can see the ins and outs of doing app development as a solo software engineer slash developer. Last Friday, I was sitting and I was just thinking about goals that I want for Her Tech Legacy. If you don't know by now, Her Tech Legacy is my personal brand, but I'm kind of shifting it into a app development like a company. So I was like, I read a lot of books in my free time. That's like one of my main hobbies. And what I've been doing is I've been just collecting all of them in my notes. I haven't actually been like documenting them in a reading journal or anything like that. I just keep track of the books and my ratings for them in my notes. But I'm like, I've been doing this since 2023 and we're in 2026. So I definitely need a better approach to doing this. So what I did was I decided to build an app. Now, I wanted to build a mobile app, but I couldn't decide whether I wanted it to be done with Swift or React Native. And personally, I don't know either. I just know the basics of both, but not enough to build a full-fledged application. So I was thinking like, maybe I should use Claude for this. And I'm like, I am a little iffy about using AI. Like, I am a full stack software developer, and I know companies are now pushing for you to use AI more frequently, but it's just something about it. It's just like figuring out how to properly use it without feeling like you're not actually doing the work and you're not getting that satisfaction. But I said, hey, I can just try this out, see how much I can do with it, just get the experience. So that's what I did. I wrote up a long prompt on Claude Code, pretty much explaining the problem, how I want this to come out, like all the features and the tools that I want to use. So for this application, it's called Pages. Pages is completed with Swift UI and Supabase for the backend. Now with this, it's pretty much a book tracker, but it's just a more user-friendly way of doing it with a little bit of social aspect to it. So yeah, that is just, the beginning of it. That's just the beginning of it. What I've been doing is I came up with a list of epics and features that I wanted to implement, and I imported all of that into Trello. So I'll be using that as my project management tool. And in addition to that, what else I've been doing, I had to sign up for the Apple Developers Program. So there's just sometimes when you're doing things fresh on your own, you're not really sure exactly the full process or everything you need to know or have implemented to get this done. So with this, I was pretty much spent that entire day working on the UI, the prototypes, and just coming up with features and testing it out on my Mac. So I was thinking, well, I want to test this out on my phone, so I looked up TestFlight. TestFlight is a way that you can test out your applications on your phone, but I didn't know you had to be in the Apple Developers Program. So I had to pay for the free of that and then wait to be approved. And it literally took about 4 to 5 days because there was a mismatch with my zip code and my city. So I got approved for that, and I haven't touched the app since. However, I do think sometime this weekend or this week I will be working on it again. But I definitely want to document this so that you guys can see how it is to build an app as a solo developer from the beginning to the end and learning a lot along the way. So I hope that you've watched this entire video, that you're intrigued to see how my app development process goes, and I hope that you like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like to see more videos from me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.